Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with Zapier. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the calendly.com, and after that guys, what you need to do is go and log into your profile or register to Calendly. If guys you don't have a profile, you can go and register, and if you don't know how to do it, you can go to our YouTube channel to check it out. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the create button plus here, we have the upgrade plan and the admin center. Also, we have everything about your profile up here in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and integrate Calendly with Zapier. So the first thing that you need to do is go and follow this link that I should provide you with here, which is calendly.com/integration/Zapier. Now what you need to do guys is see, so you have Zapier, Calendly plus Zapier, connect Calendly to other tools and automate your workflows. You can add integration or click on chat with support. I'll be clicking on add integration first. Here you can see Zapier V2 allows you to connect to web apps without any development work throughout automated called Zaps. So you have some explanations here of the Zapier and what you can do with that. After that, you just need to go and click on connect Zapier. And voila, here you can go and enter your email of the Zapier, which is required, and then you can go and create your integration. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.